Yes, ma'am. Good evening and a warm welcome to all our beloved teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. Last few months have been pretty hard on all of us, but especially for teachers. Getting accustomed to this whole new online world, taking online lectures, attending webinars, meetings, and so on. Therefore, एक ब्रेक तो बनता है. इसलिए आज की शाम आप सब टीचर्स के नाम. The successful journey of 60 years of SIS College wouldn't have been possible without you, dear teachers, and today is your day. But before we begin our today's event, I humbly request all the teachers to participate. We have a few games lined up, some heartfelt messages from the students, and lots of fun waiting you. So, without any further delay, let's get going with our first game. The first game is something we all have played as kids. It's riddles. I'm sure we all are missing going to college. So, let's check our memories and see how much we remember about our favorite place. There are also some general riddles. I will request Roshni to take over.
Thank you, Kirti. Good evening, everyone. Myself, रोशनी साव. यूं तो कहूँ हमारा अंदाज ही कुछ अलग सा है. ये भाग दौड़ और प्रतियोगिता के चलते सभी को अंग्रेजी में किटर पिटर करने की आदत और यूं कहो तो मजबूरी हो गई है. तो इसीलिए हम आपको आज एक अलग ही माहौल से अवगत कराएंगे. तो चलिए इसी अंदाज और जोश के साथ हम कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. पर हाँ, आपको एक बात का खास ध्यान रखना है कि आप अपने उत्तर किसी को ना बताएं. स्टूडेंट, नो चीटिंग. गॉट इट? आप सबको अपने उत्तर चैट बॉक्स में देने हैं. सो लेट्स बिगिन. You have to answer in 30 seconds. Okay. Here is the first question. Hello.
Hope all can see the chat box. Those who are using mobile, you may get it in this middle tab only.
The timer has already started. Aditya, just hold on the timer, please.
Okay. A timer is
set
there
to
in the
begin.
corner. Please explain the rules. Now, just directly start.
Yes, Roshni.
Yes. Slide नहीं आ रहा आदित्य.
I think all the teachers have got to their chat box and are all set on their keyboard to type the answers.
Okay. So let's begin. मेरे लंबे कान जो हिल गए तो तुम्हें होती है सबसे ज्यादा परेशानी. आई रिपीट, मेरे लंबे कान जो हिल गए तो तुम्हें होती है सबसे ज्यादा परेशानी. लॉकडाउन में मेरे ही दम पर चलती तुम्हारी जिंदगानी. नाउ टाइम स्टार्ट.
Some of you read the question, those who can't.
ओके, आई रिपीट वंस अगेन. मेरे लंबे कान जो हिल गए तो तुम्हें होती है सबसे ज्यादा परेशानी. लॉकडाउन में मेरे ही दम पर चलती तुम्हारी जिंदगानी. यस.
There are answers coming in.
Oh, nice. Question not visible. Okay.
Some say it's earphones, some say it's Wi-Fi router.
But
Roshni,
yes.
you say what is the right answer?
Oh, right answer. Any guesses? Please comment.
साथ में तो बरसात चालू है.
The answer is router. Okay. was the
Awesome. I
right?
guess many teachers have got it right.
Oh,
It's really like 7,
Roshali
8, 9
ma'am, Jyoti
who are
ma'am.
getting it right. It's a
Oh,
amazing go at the first question. So all set to the next question, Roshni.
I मैं कानों से चिल्लाता हूँ और मुंह से सुनता हूँ। जब दुनिया से दूर तुम्हें एक शांत जगह की जरूरत हो, मैं तुम्हें ढक कर वहां जा बैठाता हूँ। आई रिपीट, मैं कानों से चिल्लाता हूँ और मुंह से सुनता हूँ। जब दुनिया से दूर तुम्हें एक शांत जगह की जरूरत हो, मैं तुम्हें ढक कर वो जगह बन जाता हूँ। नाउ टाइम स्टार्ट। Let's answer.
I think our teachers are very fast. We've already got the answers on the chat
Yeah.
box.
Vijay Loop, laptop. No?
Vijaya ma'am is the first to comment. Vijaya ma'am has got this right or wrong. Let us know in a short while. Some again vote for headphones.
Time's out.
Headphones. Yes.
And correct answer is earphone and headphone. Next question. पिछले 2 महीनों से ये गोल्ड से भी प्यारा हो गया। पिछले 2 महीनों से ये गोल्ड से भी प्यारा हो गया है। इसकी खुशबू से अब हमेशा हमारा घर महकता है। वैसे तो ये दारू के दूसरा रूप है, पर इसका इस्तेमाल ना करो तो डर लगता है। नाउ टाइम स्टार्ट। Oh, good. Sanitizer. Yes, right answer. Spelling mistake is not allowed. George Abraham sanitizer. So quick and fast. Good. Okay. Time's up. Here are next question. इतना भी मुझे मत देखो, दिन भर मैं इस्तेमाल की जाती हूँ। इतना भी मुझे मत देखो, दिन भर मैं इस्तेमाल की जाती हूँ। मेरे भी बहुत नखरे हैं, कभी आंखों से आंसू, कभी सर में दर्द दिलाती हूँ। बताओ कौन हूँ मैं? ओ, लगता है आंसर पहले से पता है यार। वेरी ब्रिलियंट टीचर था।
लैपटॉप, टीवी, फोन, बहुत सारे आंसर्स आ रहे हैं। रोशनी, बता दो हमको कौन सा सही वाला है, या फिर सारे सारे सही है शायद से। व्हाट डू यू से?
हाँ, ऑलमोस्ट करेक्ट है, बट टीवी किसने था? संतोष कताड़िया। ओके,
संतोष सर। ओह,
ऑलमोस्ट राइट। मोबाइल फोन्स और लैपटॉप्स। वेरी गुड। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। मुझे जितना ज्यादा तुम खिलाते हो उतनी खुशी मैं तुम्हें देता हूँ। मुझे जितना ज्यादा तुम खिलाते हो उतनी खुशी मैं तुम्हें देता हूँ, मगर मुझे ढंग से इस्तेमाल ना करो तो मेरे अंदर तो हाथों का मैल है। तुम्हें समझ आने से पहले मैं बह जाता हूँ। टाइम स्टार्ट। बेटा नो, रुचिता मैम।
Vishnu Prasad sir is somewhere right. It's near to that. Come on, guess teachers, come on.
Okay, time's up. The right answer is wallet. Okay, nice try. पर हम आपको विजेता का नाम अभी नहीं बताएंगे क्योंकि सब्र का फल मीठा होता है। So let's move on to the next riddle. तो चलिए दोस्तों, हमारा और आपका साथ तो सिर्फ यहीं तक का था। ओके, थैंक यू। टू टेक द सेशन फर्दर, आई रिक्वेस्ट Rishi to take over.
Hello, myself Rishi Jaiswal. Happy Teachers Day. I will be continuing the riddle. Let's test your knowledge about our college. This riddle will be based on our college. नहीं है ये कोई कबूतर का खाना, ना है यहाँ मिलता है होटल का खाना। खेलना पसंद हो तो वहाँ है जाना, इसका मतलब अब तुम भी खेलना शुरू हो जाना। Yes, yes, the answers are coming.
Oh, everyone is with this almost similar answers. And most of them are strikingly saying it's Gymkhana. Is it right?
Vaishali
Rishi?
ma'am is quadrangle.
Yes. Let's move on
Kudos
to
to
next
all the
question.
teachers. I think most of them have got it
Yes.
right. With first being Ruchita ma'am. Awesome.
जब से बंद है पड़ गई सी पड़ा सुन सी हो गई है जिंदगी, 2 मिनट की खुशियों का अब है इंतजार सी रही। सबका पसंदीदा सबका निराला, तुमको अब वहां है जाना। टीचर्स गेस द प्लेस। नो।
Which
2 मिनट
place
की
in
खुशियां।
college?
Which
Which
place in
place are we
college?
talking about?
It is not anymore in our college. Yes, Ruchita ma'am is close.
Vrushali ma'am got it.
Yes.
Rushali ma'am and Ruchita ma'am, they are leading. Wow, great.
सबसे पॉपुलर है ये जगह, भीड़ है हमेशा यहाँ जमा। SIS में स्वागत करते हैं आपका, मनमानी करोगे तो कर देंगे तुमको दफा। Yes, Ruchita ma'am, you are close.
Oh my goodness. स्वर्णा, तुम लोग सबसे ट्वाइप ही करवाओगे क्या?
No, there are further
थोड़ा बहुत
sessions
उनको
to get them on
आवाज
the
भी सुन
microphone as
सकते हैं
well.
ना? Teachers can speak also.
The next rounds are waiting, ma'am. First, we
Okay,
want to check
okay,
how well
okay.
they type and who scores the best. Later, we have them to test their microphones on their videos. We have some fun activities lined up for all the
Okay. Carry on.
Yes, Rishi. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं.
हाँ, okay, the answer is foyer. Fourth question. ग्रेविटी से गिरने का लगा होना चाहिए डर, न्यूटन से चाहे हो नफरत, सबका दर्शन होंगे तुम्हें वहां, टेस्ला जाने जाते हैं जिसके लिए जहां। Yes, Rushali ma'am got it right. So the answer is physics lab. Next riddle. सेमिनार में बैठना हो तो तब बहाना, बस AC का हवा है खाना। ऑडिटोरियम तो नहीं पर उससे कम भी नहीं, हमारी छोटी सी दुनिया। Yes, teachers are getting it right. Library, boardroom, MMR. Yes, the answer is MMR. Okay, thank you. We are done with the riddles.
Hope the teachers enjoyed this first and very foremost game.
Teachers are very quick to answer. I think we should have a special message for them now. What do you think, Swarna?
Yes, certainly. So moving further, let us go to the next slide, Aditya. Thank you, teachers, for participating the first round, but lots coming more. So the first special wish goes from the students who want to dedicate this very message to the Department of Botany. So all the teachers here, how's the Josh? Botany teachers, can we unmute the microphone and just
Yes, ma'am.
botany teachers?
I'm Sakshi here.
Thanks a lot. This is Vishnu sir here. Thanks a lot.
Yes. How's the Josh botany teachers? You're hearing from your
Yes.
dear and lovely students.
Swarna,
It's
read it.
high.
Yes, it's wonderful.
Yes.
Swarna,
Josh is high. Yeah.
Let's go to the next
Very wonderful
question.
message.
Yeah, certainly. Let's go to the next. Yeah, this one is for MSc, MSc Bioanalytical Sciences. And there's mention of really a lot of teachers. Anyone present here? Everyone in their life will have a guru to lead them. I have you in my life as my guru. Such a beautiful one by Snehal. So any teachers from MSc? Can we hear it from MSc teachers? Are you there? Students are here for you. They have written such special messages for you. Moving further. Next, Aditya. Yes. Oh, this is for Mahalakshmi ma'am, who is very much present with us here.
Thank you, Swarna.
Oh,
I
yes,
don't do such things.
And,
Thank you so much.
and the students are wishing her a best wishes for completing PhD and becoming Dr. Mahalakshmi Nada pretty soon. All the best, ma'am. Next.
There is a slight little time. Thank you.
Next, we have the HOD of my department, Mass Media and Communication, Dr. Vanita Rane. Are you here, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm here, very much here.
Yes. So this special note is for you by Muskan. So with all the pretty smile, I think this has
You
certainly
should share
made you
this
smile
as a collate to all the teachers. Huh?
Mansi,
Make
he's
as a
mentioning
PDF
indeed the
and share
coolest
it with all
teacher.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Muskan. Thank you, Swarna. Thanks for the message.
Most welcome. We are all delighted to have our pretty well awesome teachers around us who are so active for the first round. Let us see how they perform in the one coming now. Let's go next, Aditya. Yes, it's tongue twisters. So all set for tongue twisters? First, we would like to start with Geeta Paluskar, ma'am. Ma'am, are you here?
Oh my God. Yes, I'm very much there.
Yes, ma'am. Go to the next slide,
Yeah,
Aditya.
tell me.
Yes, this one. Choose your language, ma'am. Which language tongue twister would you like to go for? English,
Okay,
Hindi,
Marathi.
Marathi, or Tamil?
Marathi.
Are you sure it's a tongue twister? Yes. So.
Yeah, very much so.
Yes. Pause here. So the first attempt that you're going to make is considered and it can be ignored. But the consecutive 5 attempts have to be correct. So, ma'am, are you all set?
Okay.
And we have 2 minutes to go for you to complete it at least 5 minutes or 5 times perfectly. 2 minutes, 5 times. Are you all set now? Anyone?
I can select anyone?
Pick
Anyone, okay.
Are you all set? Let's
So
begin
I
the
take-
timer.
Yeah.
Okay, your time starts now.
Start?
It's, yes, 5:23 and
Okay.
5:25. We'll see how many times you
Okay.
can get it. Don't change the screen, Aditya. Yes.
चटईला टाचणी टोचली 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 10 times. Am I done?
Awesome. Yes.
Wow.
Wow, that's awesome. Geeta ma'am, whom do you want to pass it to? It's your chance to give it to somebody else. Whom
Okay,
do
I
you
don't know
want
who
to
all are there.
Okay.
Is who all are there? Let me know that.
You can just tell. I just confirm if they are there or not.
Yeah,
Or they
I'm
can also
checking.
respond.
I'm checking.
You have to pass it to someone.
Okay, I'll pass it on to
Yes.
Pallavi Roy.
Okay. Pallavi ma'am. Pallavi Roy ma'am, which language do you go for? Pallavi ma'am, are you there? Pallavi ma'am? I think Pallavi ma'am is not able to connect. So let us go with Vrishali ma'am. Vrishali Gupte ma'am, it's time for you.
Hello, hi.
Let us choose the language now.
Yeah. Marathi.
Again, Marathi?
Yes.
Okay. Which one do you pick?
I also go with Chataila Tachani Tochli.
All right. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Shall I start?
Time starts now.
Chataila Tachani Tochli. 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 How long you want to be to go?
More. It's just 8. Geeta ma'am did it 10 times.
Tochli. Chataila Tachani Tochli. Chataila Tachani Tochli. Chataila Tachani Tochli. Chataila Tachani Tochli. Chataila Tachani.
It's crossing the record.
Chataila Tachani Tochli. Chataila Tachani Tochli. Chataila Tachani Tochli. Chataila Tachani Tochli. Chataila Tachani. Chataila Tachani Tochli. I think I have gone ahead of.
I couldn't count it so far.
Claps for Vrishali ma'am.
Oh, wow. I think next it is going to Ruchita ma'am. Ruchita Karmokar ma'am, it's time for you. Choose your language.
वो सब ठीक है, पहले बोलो जीतने पर क्या मिलेगा।
वो तो महालक्ष्मी हमें बता सकती है।
Yes, correct. क्या मिलेगा? क्या मिलेगा? महा, please tell us.
एक ऑनलाइन कंग्रेचुलेशंस।
अच्छा।
नहीं है ना। स्पेशल एक्नॉलेजमेंट, कांग्रेचुलेशन सर्टिफिकेट।
नहीं, I think you will say कॉलेज आके फिर प्राइज कलेक्ट करो।
वो भी चलेगा मेरे को। I have lot of prizes in my cupboard. I can give you.
एनुअल डे पे प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेरेमनी में मिलेगा।
नहीं कीचेन मिलेगा। आप लोग कॉलेज ज्वाइन करो, प्राइजेस यू विल गेट अ कीचेन ऑफ सीओई देयर इन कॉलेज।
Okay, English.
Okay, English. Which one do you want to choose, ma'am?
हे भगवान। Okay, he threw 3 free throws.
जल्दी इतना स्लो नहीं चलेगा।
अच्छा, oh sorry, मुझे नहीं पता कि तुमने टाइम स्टार्ट किया। Okay, he threw 3 free throws. 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 5 हो गया, बस हो गया।
You still have time. 1 मिनट भी नहीं हुआ। Continue, ma'am. Let us see. गीता मैम ने तो 10
He threw 3 free throws. He threw 3 free throws. He threw 3 free throws. He threw. He threw 3 free throws. He threw 3 free throws. बस नहीं करना बाबा।
I think next we could go for Vishnu Prasad sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Language you choose is?
Okay, I will prefer English.
All right.
Shall I start?
Okay, yeah, your time starts now.
Okay, I'll select the second one. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? 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 Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches?
Yes.
Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? Madam?
Awesome. Yes.
Thank
Next.
you. Thanks a lot.
Next and the
Okay.
last
I think
one.
for this, Vishnu Prasad requires a Swiss watch.
Okay, yes. I'll be happy to receive it.
Who is going to give that?
हाँ, स्वर्णा गिफ्ट लिख के रखो किसको क्या चाहिए, बस अभी।
मैं लिख के
ऐसा ऑप्शन है तो मैं पहले सोच के
चटाई मत
रखता
देना। मुझे और गीता मैम को टाचनी और चटाई मत देना।
Okay, so should I select the next
कौन
person?
दे रहा है वो मुझे नहीं पता। Yeah, you have to select the next person.
Okay,
The
then
second
okay. Sakshi Rajkumar, madam.
Okay. Sakshi ma'am, which language are you preferring to go with?
Hello, ma'am. Yeah, I would also go for English.
Okay. But let us not go for the one which has been taken. So you have the third one. Let's go with the third one.
Okay, I'll try the third one.
Yes, all the very best. Let's go. Are you set? We'll set the timer too.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
A little
How
bit
can a
more.
clam cram in a clean cream can?
Going well, yes. A little bit more.
Okay, how can a clam cram in a clean cream can? It's getting confusing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shall I go? It's done.
Okay, it was really a great going. Next and the last one is Lakshmi Shekhar ma'am. Lakshmi ma'am, which language are you preferring to go with?
English.
Not Tamil?
No, not at all.
You're there for Tamil Association ma'am. Tamil try பண்ணலாம் இல்லையா?
English.
வேண்டாமா? சரி ma'am. Okay, let's go for English.
He threw 3 free throws. 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 हो गया क्या? He threw 3 free throws. 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 Enough now.
Awesome. Non-stop and so powerful. Anyone to go with Hindi or Tamil? Anyone to go with Hindi or Tamil? Either of these. Is there anyone who wish to try? It's okay.
I can try Hindi. I can try Hindi.
Chalo, yes. All set. Let's go for the Hindi slide, Aditya. Okay. Which one are you choosing, ma'am?
पहले बोलो ना जोर से. नीली रेल लाल रेल अच्छा okay it is नदी किनारे किनारे की दुकान. Okay, I'll go with the second one. नदी किनारे किराने की दुकान. नदी किनारे किराने की दुकान. नदी किनारे किराने की दुकान. नदी किनारे की no I can't, sorry.
जल्दी करो मैम. Okay, time जा रहा है.
नदी किनारे किराने की दुकान. 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 Okay, not bad, na?
Not at all bad.
No, I want to nominate someone. Swarna, you didn't ask me whom I want to nominate. This is not fair.
Yes, ma'am. Ruchita, ma'am.
Swarna, I want to nominate Swarna herself.
Oh God.
Good choice, Ruchita. Good choice.
Let her suffer as well.
Swarna, now you should go for Tamil.
Saravanan and Nitya ma'am.
Swarna should go for Tamil.
Yeah, go for Tamil.
Nitya ma'am can go for Tamil.
Okay, Aditya.
Yeah, okay, I'll try. But I can't see that what is the
पहले
sentence.
Nitya ma'am, then I'll try it. Okay, Nitya ma'am, all set. You going for Tamil?
Yeah, I'll try.
Okay.
Levi Roy ma'am has also nominated her, no?
But I'm not able to see what is the sentence.
Tell the sentence. What you wanted.
There, ma'am.
No,
Vale,
I can't see it.
Okay. Okay, then I'll go first.
Share नहीं दिख रहा है नित्या.
Screenshot दिख रहा है मैम. यहाँ पे तो दिखाई पड़ रहा है.
Screenshot तो नहीं. Box में डालो. Screenshot chat box में डालो.
हाँ, उसमें डाल.
Okay, so I'll just try it in the meanwhile. Okay, I also
I'll put a screenshot in chat box.
मत
I'm
करना,
putting it.
ठीक है? मैं बहुत मुश्किल से पढ़ रही हूँ. Just keep the slide there. Okay, let us try this. यार तेच्छ सेट्टई ताता तेच्छ सेट्टई यार तेच्छ सेट्टई सट्टई ताता तेच्छ सेट्टई यार तेच्छ सेट्टई 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 ताता तेच्छ सेट्टई.
Yeah,
हाँ?
I got it. Okay.
But wait, come on.
Yeah?
Hello. Yeah, shall I try?
Yes, Nitya ma'am.
I'll just say it once, just say if it is correct. Yaar teche chattai, tata teche chattai. Correct?
Right,
Yes,
right,
yes.
right, right.
हाँ. यार तेचे चट्टई ताता तेचे चट्टई 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 यार तेचे चट्टई ताता तेचे चट्टई. Is that enough?
Yes.
Okay.
You can go on. You can go on.
No, that's enough.
Okay, I think we would have to go further with another event.
I feel
So-
Maharatnam should try Tamil.
Yeah, why not? The last
Why
one.
not? Why not?
If you want to go
வாழைப்பழம்
for it.
அழுவி நழுவி ஆழக்குழியில் கீழே விழுந்தது. Okay, I'll try that. Can I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, வாழைப்பழம் அழுவி நழுவி ஆழக்குழியில் கீழே விழுந்தது. 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 Is it fine?
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு மேம்.
Thank you.
அருமை.
நன்றி.
Really enjoyed. Probably who does not understand Tamil would have most enjoyed this part. Going further.
நெட்டு கொக்கு இட்ட.
Yes, let us go further.
Okay. Yeah, please proceed.
So Poonam, are you all set to go ahead? Poonam.
Yes, I'm here.
ठीक है, चलो, let's go ahead.
Okay, so here's a special message from one of the students to Dr. Neeraja Tutkane by Shubham Patkar. Dr. Neeraja Tutkane, are you here?
Not there. Vishnu sir is there.
No, I think madam is not here, but I will convey the message to Nirja madam.
Okay.
We'll
thank
share
you.
this in a PDF form in the teachers group.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah,
fine.
sure. Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Okay. So moving on to the next slide. And here's another message to chemistry department by Avathi Prakash. Okay, chemistry department.
Ashwati
Anyone
Prasad,
from
Avadhi
chemistry?
Prakash.
Yeah.
Ashwati Prakash maybe.
Yeah, it's
Love
AA.
it.
It's written AA. Avathi Prakash.
Okay. Avadhi Prakash.
Yeah. So anyone from
online
chemistry department?
This is for a whole chemistry department. Thank you.
From chemistry
Yeah,
department.
Lakshmi Shekhar ma'am is there. Kataria sir is there. George sir was there. Gayatri ma'am was there. Okay, they are right now. Fine. Sumini is there. Okay, we all take the credit. Thank you so much. Okay.
So
Nice.
moving on to the next slide.
Again, botany. Nice.
Oh, Department of
Aisha.
Botany by Sheikh Aisha Atik Ahmed. Very beautiful message. Anyone from botany department?
Yes, I'm there
Yes,
from the
ma'am.
botany department.
Okay, sir. This is from Aisha Sheikh
Thank you.
Atik Ahmed.
Thanks a lot. Aisha.
Yes. Moving on to the next slide. All right. So, good evening, everyone. Myself, Poonam Naidu. As you can see on the screen, most of y'all are familiar with this game, Never Have I Ever. And to play this amazing game, here are some of the rules you have to follow. Never Have I Ever is a really fun way to get to know people or to learn more about people you already know. And the game starts by saying a simple statement about what you have never done or before starting with Never Have I Ever. Next. Anyone who at some point in their life has done the action and you have to click the given option. So I have made a quiz, online quiz in myquiz.com. You have to answer either I have or never. and you have to be quick because the one who complete the game fast will win the game. So let's begin Never Have I Ever. To start the game, all you have to do is, if you are using mobile or laptop, you just have to open another Google Chrome tab and open myquiz.com. This is the exact logo of the app. Don't open the app, just open the myquiz.com in the Google Chrome. Let me know in the chat. Yeah, let me know in the chat if you are joining the quiz. I'll share the joining code here. 952580.
If teachers are having any doubts, please come forth and let us know.
And the top 3 winners who completes the game fastest will be the winner. The top 3. Yes, I can see Vrishali Gupte ma'am and Ruchita ma'am and Lakshmi Shekhar ma'am. They have joined.
What is the
Rest are-
joining
Can you
code?
repeat? Can you
Can't
repeat
see
the
the
number?
joining code.
Joining code is 952580.
And can you repeat the site also? I missed it.
952580.
Aditya, can you? Yes, this is the site myquiz.com.
Myquiz.com. Okay.
Yeah, you can see the logo.
It's saying invalid. Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah,
Nine
Geeta ma'am,
five?
it is quizzes. It is quizzes app.
52580.
Quizzes, no?
Hello?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
it is apna
It is
quizzes
quizzes, no?
app. Yeah.
Quizzes.
Yeah, yeah, correct,
Nine.
correct.
Can you repeat the code?
QUIZIZZ quiz app.
952580.
Okay.
Mahalakshmi ma'am joined. Maya ma'am joined.
पूनम, will we be sharing the screen अभी या फिर बाद में करना है?
हाँ, मैं अभी स्क्रीन शेयर करती हूँ.
Okay.
Aditya, allow me to share the screen.
Okay. Then Aditya will come back after this. ठीक है.
Okay, okay. Now why are you calling me?
Teachers are
You
all
can see?
set to begin.
Could you please repeat the code?
952580.
952580.
We can start.
Yes, ma'am. The screen is visible, I guess. Swarna, is the screen visible?
Yes.
Okay.
We can see a lot of teachers joining in. 10 people have already gotten. Why are others waiting too? Come on, we have
Others are
27
joining.
people here. Yes, come on, teachers. Anyone waiting for the code or so? 11. Okay. 12. I think we'll wait for a while and then we can go on start.
Many of them are joining.
Yes. Anyone yet to join? I think there are a few left.
All right, Geeta ma'am has joined.
If I'm trying to join, it is myquiz.com, right?
Yes, sir.
My quizzes.
My quizzes.
Yes, you can see it on the screen, sir. Yeah. Also, it's put on the chat box so that you can easily copy paste and get to it.
Yeah, that will be better, please.
Yes, it's posted on the chat box also.
Akib has posted the link, so you can join from there. I'll repeat the code once again. If 952580. Let everyone join first. Then I'll start the game.
All the best to teachers. Everyone is waiting eagerly. Like, kab start button hi daba legi, and when we have to like jump in to get into the top 3.
You'll get a 5-second timer in each question. And 3 of them will be the winner. And you all have to be very quick.
Oh, 13 people have already come.
I can't wait to start. I'm so excited.
think the number 13 is constant since long.
Anybody facing any trouble, like you are unable to find the link or something? So, ma'am.
I think Poonam, let's start. Even teachers are waiting.
Okay. So, I'm starting.
Ready, steady, go.
Start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, the leaderboard is seen here.
Yes. Oh, Ruchita ma'am is very good.
Ruchita ma'am is going it well.
Wow,
Too many
Mahalakshmi
people
ma'am is
now.
first.
Geeta Paluskar ma'am also.
Mahalakshmi
Rashmi
ma'am.
ma'am and Ruchita ma'am are on a tough fight.
Top 3 winners. Be quick. Ruchita ma'am. Rashmi ma'am is on second. Now Sumini Pillai ma'am. Mahalakshmi ma'am. The leaderboard is changing, Swarna. Rashmi ma'am is leading.
Vishnu Prasad sir is trying to make it up quickly and come up. Yes, he's trying it. But Pallavi ma'am is trying. Nitya ma'am is coming to 8 forward. Oh my god, this competition is like, oh.
Oh, again Rashmi ma'am.
Maya
ma'am. Who will be the top 3? Ruchita ma'am, Vishnu
Oh,
Prasad sir, or
Ruchita
Rashmi
ma'am is
ma'am.
toggling up and down.
Yes. Wow, Geeta Paluskar ma'am is doing good. Rashmi ma'am is also. Rashmi ma'am is still on the first.
Hey, these are all subjective questions, Ray. Why it is coming for my own answers?
Exactly.
What is the question and how are we supposed to answer? I'm not able to understand.
Ma'am, it's never.
Yeah, do I like you? True or false? T and F.
But if I say I like Oreo, it is saying me it is false answer.
हाँ, exactly.
How is that possible?
Yeah, even 2 plus 2 4 is wrong answer बोल रहा है.
तुम लोग मैथ्स भी चेंज कर रहे हो रे ऐसे क्या ये क्या है
It is
Eh,
just
nahi,
a trick to
Swarna,
see
Swarna,
how fast
nahi.
you do it.
No, this
It's
is not
nothing to do
fair.
with the question. It's nothing
these
to do with the
questions are
question.
not set properly sorry
पूनम
Hello,
ये क्या
ma'am.
हो रहा है
नहीं नहीं
अरे wrong हुआ तो नीचे जा रहा है नाम.
We want re-exam.
Ma'am, again I'm playing.
yes we want re-exam yes additional
Yes,
exam
this is not fair.
2 plus 2 4 कब से wrong हुआ रे?
हाँ,
नहीं,
indicate
इस
का
time
exam
नहीं।
देने दो.
exactly 4 कैसे wrong हुआ
4 wrong हुआ. Do I like
wrong
you?
हुआ. 2
What do you
plus
mean
2
by
is
do I
wrong.
like you? एक ही सा क्वेश्चन हो गया.
ये कैसा क्वेश्चन है एग्जैक्टली
मैम मैं वापस से प्ले कर रही हूँ.
हाँ प्लीज
हाँ, एक सेकेंड.
Re-exam granted.
ये अच्छा यूनिवर्सिटी है ना, जैसे ही बोलो री एग्जाम दे दिया.
आई नो
Anything for our teachers. Anything.
how sweet
How sweet. Wow.
So what do we do now? Start again.
Yes, ma'am.
but it is not showing any questions now it is showing
Ma'am,
review
actually,
questions
I guess question the one I've made.
She's editing.
हुआ कोई और भी होगा ma'am, I guess.
Editing question.
ए रहने दे पूनम, this is thinking सबको points दे.
हाँ सब winners है
हाँ, सब winners है because this he needs to again edit the question and then again start. ये ऐसे start नहीं होगा.
Hey, nahi, forget it. I'm just joking. It's okay. This was good fun.
and it will take a lot of time for you to edit
Yeah, don't repeat. It's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
we all are winners
मैम एक्चुअली क्वेश्चंस ये था, पता नहीं क्या प्ले हो गया एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि हम
ये गलत है. No, ये गलत है.
ये क्वेश्चन आया नहीं.
आपने बोला कि
She has no captain's game.
She has
I
got
can
some
इसमें
other
से एक भी नहीं
questions.
आया.
She
Yes,
has got
ma'am.
some other
शायद
questions.
कोई और क्वेश्चन प्ले हो गया, मुझे नहीं पता चला।
No,
Probably
the
yes.
same happened with me during my online lectures. Something
Exactly.
else was seen. Yeah, so I fully sympathize with
Oh.
the child.
और ये बहुत
Teachers out of syllabus questions आ गया, out of syllabus.
Okay.
मुझे वापस खेलना है या स्क्रीन शेयर ऑफ कर दूं?
नहीं पूनम ऑफ कर दो।
ठीक है।
हम टीचर्स को ना स्टूडेंट्स का वो
That one is
टेंशन
also
समझ में
enjoy,
आया
यार।
आउट ऑफ
Everybody
क्वेश्चन
enjoy
सिलेबस
होता है।
क्वेश्चन का.
Okay then.
So are you
Go
playing
for
it
the
again
next
or
thing.
next thing?
Yes, Mansi, all set? Mansi, you there?
I think after this fun event, we should have a music. We need a song to this. What do you think, Swarna?
Yes, we need some music also. Yes, we need some music to put our teachers into quiz again. Let them guess some songs.
Winning this round, we need music to celebrate this.
Yes, Poonam.
Yes, I'm ready.
Teachers to guess
All
this
right.
song.
Aditya, can you present the screen? Here you have to name the movie from which I'm playing the music here. You have to guess the movie. All right. Next slide. Aditya, can you play the music?
Type it in the chat box as soon as you can decode it.
No, just press the icon, play icon.
अरे आंसर आ गया. आंसर तो आ भी गया.
Play icon on your.
We've already answered.
The teachers are so smart. And
काफी
so
ज्यादा
alert.
smart है।
इमेज देख के पता चल गया, गाने की तो जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी।
नहीं, देख वो ऑरेंज आइकन है ना, उसमें क्लिक कर आदित्य।
वो स्पीकर वाला इमोजी आइकन।
द मूवी के बाजू वाला। हाँ।
मजा करना।
ऑलरेडी किसी ने फोटो देके आंसर कर दिया।
हाँ, बॉबी करेक्ट आंसर।
वो बॉबी नहीं था।
बॉबी नहीं है, इट्स परिचय.
बॉबी के पहले परिचय था.
हाँ वही
परिचय था बॉबी के पहले।
Yes. Let's go for the next. Mansi, I think it's a talent show right now. As we had asked you about your talents in your form that you filled for registration, we have just randomly taken a cherry pick of some teachers.
Sorry to interrupt, Swarna, but I had a lot of fun. I have to attend a meeting, so I will be leaving this celebration. So thank you so much, but for all the efforts taken by the entire team. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Vrishali.
Happy
Thank you,
Teachers Day.
Vanita.
It was fun to have you, ma'am.
you.
We'll miss you.
Thank you so much.
For the event.
Thank you, Vrishali ma'am.
Yeah, stay blessed. Bye.
Come, Mansi, come on, all yours now.
So, okay, I'm sure that in the lockdown you would have revisited or maybe rediscovered a new talent. So I request all my dear teachers, if you have talent, you're multi-talented, we all know. So if you can randomly come forward and share your talent as we are giving you this platform. Any teachers?
Staying silent is not a talent, teachers. Come on. We don't need pin drop silence now. We want you in all action. I think, Mansi, we would have to randomly pick teachers and ask them to come up with some talent. Because सब तो शांत है यहाँ पे. Yes, Mansi.
All right, we'll start with our BMM department itself. I'll ask Ruchita ma'am to Sing for us. maybe.
Hello.
Come on, Ruchita ma'am. Some Bengali song for us.
Hey, chupi. No, the thing is, my network is fluctuating and I am out as well. Thoda sa.
No excuses, ma'am. We can clearly hear you. thoda sa, little bit.
All right, give me 2 minutes. I'll sing after the first person is done.
Fair enough, I think, na Mansi.
Swarna herself sings, na?
Yeah, Swarna, you can start then. After you, Ruchita ma'am can go ahead.
अरे it's Teachers Day, बब्बा. मैं क्यों गाऊँ अभी?
Just a motivation. Come on, Swarna.
Okay, let's try. अरे मैं इतना बोल के my आवाज has gone down. When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when trouble comes and my heart burdened be, when I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stay on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be. So it's all dedicated to our dear teachers who are always there to raise us up whenever we fall or whenever we feel down. So it's all dedicated to our dear teachers. So I think the next one is all
melodious.
That was a great.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you, Swarna. Okay. Bengali ही होना चाहिए.
Song preferably.
Okay, ठीक है, चलो Bengali. Top of my head, okay. Don't laugh, और इसका बाद में कहीं भी कुछ भी प्रचारण भी मत करना.
No way.
Okay. প্রাণ দিতে চাই, মন দিতে চাই, সবটুকু ধ্যান সারাক্ষণ দিতে চাই তোমাকে, তোমাকে স্বপ্ন সাজাই, নিজেকে হারাই, আর দুটি নয়নে রোজ নিয়ে ছুটে যাই তোমাকে, তোমাকে। তুমি হাসলে আমার ঠোঁটে হাসি, তুমি আসলে জোনাকি রাশি রাশি, তুমি আসলে আমার অনুরাগে, বলো কি করে বুঝাই ভালোবাসি। Thank you so much.
That's so sweet, this Rasgulla. Bengali, the language itself is so sweet.
Ruchita ma'am, খুব ভালো, ভীষণ ভালো.
Thank you so much.
Lakshmi Shekhar ma'am have just joined. I would want you to sing a Tamil song for us, ma'am.
3 minutes.
Voice is echoing actually.
Yeah, my net just
Maybe 2 devices on.
She's going to sing some A.R. Rahman song probably.
Why not? Go ahead, ma'am.
I'll just sing a bhajan. Some echoing is happening later on.
लक्ष्मी एक डिवाइस का माइक ऑफ कर.
Lakshmi ma'am. You can keep the device a little further, both the devices, then the sound will not echo.
Can you hear me? It's echoing. 1 minute.
एक go away distant from the one device. echo हो रहा है. एक डिवाइस से दूर जा, नहीं तो एक डिवाइस का माइक ऑफ कर, जिससे तू गा रही है उसका माइक ऑन रहा.
Hello.
एक स्पीकर माइक ऑफ कर.
Sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yes, it's very clear, ma'am.
इधर आओ.
Okay, we'll get back to Lakshmi Shekhar, ma'am. Before that, I would request Sarvanan. Yes, ma'am. You're back? It's clear, ma'am. You can go ahead.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, now.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
It's okay, ma'am. Okay, we'll move forward to Sarvanan sir. I request Sarvanan sir to sing any of your favorite song. Sarvanan sir, are you there? Sarvanan sir?
He's not seen.
I think we have one more amazing singer among us, that is Sneha Jadhav ma'am from Junior College, psychology teacher. Sneha ma'am, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes.
Yes,
So let
Sneha.
us listen to Sneha ma'am. What would you like to do? Singing or some other talent?
Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, I will sing a song for you.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
As it is a teacher's day, so I will sing one glimpse of one Marathi song about teachers.
Sure.
I hope you will all like it. Yeah. So I will just explain you the meaning in one short, and then I will start. So it says that without teacher we are no one. So the basic tagline is this. So that I will sing for you all. Guru vina nahi dusa aadhar, Guru vina nahi dusa aadhar. रडता पडता कोठे अडता, रडता पडता कोठे अडता, सुचले कसे पार, नाही दुजा आधार, गुरु बिन नाही दुजा आधार. गुरु परमेश्वर गुरु माऊली, सदा कृपेची देई सावली, भक्तांसाठी गुरु होनी देव के अवतार नाही दुजा आधार गुरु बिना नाही दुजा आधार. Thank you.
Superb, Sneha ma'am. Thank you so much. It was so nice.
Thank you.
It was really very soothing. Swarna, I think we can move ahead with our next segment, that is sharing our experience.
Yes,
Swarna,
yes.
go ahead.
Yes. So now I would request all our dear teachers, if possible, to on your videos. I'll just pick up someone from there. Yes, we are getting comments for Sneha ma'am. It was really awesome. Can we keep the videos on, please? Okay. So, Pallavi ma'am, are you here? Pallavi Roy ma'am, are you here?
He is there.
Hello? Pallavi Roy ma'am, are you here?
இது என்ன என்ன பழனி இப்படி சளி பிடிச்சிருக்கு?
Okay. You cannot hear me. No, no ma'am, we are unable to hear you actually. You're on
Palavi,
mute,
your
ma'am.
mic is off.
Kindly unmute yourself. Yes, ma'am. We are waiting for you. Kindly unmute yourself. Okay, so by the time Pallavi ma'am joins in with her mic, are you there? Yeah, Pallavi ma'am, I think she's back. Yes, ma'am. Pallavi ma'am, requesting you to unmute yourself.
Okay, I'm sorry. Now, can you hear
Yes.
me?
Yeah.
Yes,
Thank
yes,
you,
yes,
Swarna,
we can hear.
but I don't know what would I sing. I mean, you will be put up to a tormenting voice of mine, so I do not want it that way. So please excuse me for that.
No. Your voice is pretty sweet. So. So now we are going to
I'll just sing one line. Otherwise, that would be too much for you all if I sing more than one line. Is that okay? Just to encourage
you could
all.
sing,
I'll
yeah.
just-
You
I'll
could
just-
certainly sing, but here we also have one more task laid up to you.
Yes, great. Yes, tell me.
So first you could sing if you wish to.
No. It's okay. I thought it was all singing
I
going
know.
on. So please give me another task. That would be
Okay,
great. Yes.
this is the experience sharing ground. So we just put up a topic to you, and you have to just like you can take a bit of 2 minutes or so, and you can just talk a few words about it. Okay, are you all set, ma'am?
Yes, please.
So, the first day when you entered college and it was your first lecture, how did you feel? It's now to you. Let us know your experience. Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, let us keep the video on if possible. We
No,
would love to
please.
see your expressions and the lovely moment. If
I
not,
think
it's completely fine.
I
Not
do
an
not
issue.
know if my connection would support that. Anyways, so I'll just speak off. Otherwise, I do not know because it's really bad today.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Yes, ma'am.
I think the first lecture which I was given was of SYBSC, and I, being an organic person, was probably asked to teach something from the inorganic portion. So I was quite I was very nervous. I went to the class and I still remember the students were very, what to say, uh, I mean, I started with crystal field theory to begin with, and then when I saw the students listening to me, I came back to my old college days, and there were some students who were trying to be mischievous, but most of the students were very good. And I think that was the time when I felt that this is what I would love to do all my life. And this was the first day, and that brought the passion, or whatever you say, inside me. And I would love being with the students, because that is what they bring. They bring your energy out, they bring your youthfulness out. And I really, really love you all, and thank you very much. And the best part of teaching is that you enjoy everything out of that. Thanks a lot.
Beautiful, ma'am. So now let us end that with a song which you were planning to. So why not?
No, I am not good at singing, please.
A little bit, even just a one line, just one.
Okay, so just one line. Okay, now this is, I think it's a Bengali song from Rabindranath Tagore. So I'll just sing one line. Jodi tor tak shune keu na ashe, তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে. Thank you all. I thoroughly enjoyed it. And I'll have to go for another meeting. Thank you all.
Okay.
Continue with all your events. Thanks a lot.
Jodi kyun kotha na koe, ore ore o abhaga ko kotha na koe.
Very beautiful. Thank you, Swarna. Thank you.
Most welcome.
Okay, bye-bye.
We're happy that our dear teachers are enjoying it.
I'll take
So
your
next,
lead.
I'll come back to, yes ma'am, sure. Next, I come back to Sneha ma'am again, whom I believe is a travel lover. Sneha ma'am, are you here?
Yes, Swarna, tell me.
So I believe you're a travel lover and you like to visit places. So are you missing travel during the days of lockdown? How has it affected you? And what are your plans post-lockdown? So let's listen to Sneha ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
As you said, in the lockdown period, I also realized that, staying at home or taking care of the home and being in love with the home is also something which is really cool. That's what I found. So even though I'm missing my traveling, I also started loving spending time at my own house and taking care of my own home like never before, because before lockdown there was not that much time. But definitely, I want to really go for a jogging after the lockdown, because these are the days where I have never run anywhere. So that is what I am missing the most. And after the lockdown, I really want to go for a jog for a long period of time. That's what is my plan. After lockdown, the first plan. So that's it, Swarna.
Fitness. Yes.
Yes.
So I think, Lakshmi ma'am, are you back with your mic set?
Yes, Swarna.
Oh, all set. So ma'am, would you like to go for sharing the experience on a particular topic, or you want to go with the melodious bhajan which was missing?
Experience of first day of the lecture.
No, I'll let you know. I'll let you know the topic very soon. But
Okay, you can tell me the topic.
Okay, the topic is a childhood memory that you miss being a teacher or after being grown up. A childhood memory that you miss and recollect.
Yes. See, I am born and brought up in IIT campus. So my childhood memories are completely with IIT life, the campus life, where we used to attend Mood Indigos and, so many such functions, Tamil Association functions also, faculty functions. My daddy was in an electrical department. So all that definitely I miss. Now if I have to go to Moody Indigo, even to get a pass, I have to depend upon somebody. It is not so easy cakewalk now inside the IIT campus. So much of restrictions and all. So of course I miss my IIT life. That is one thing I miss. And as a teacher now, the school life, when we used to, eat our dabbas together and play together. Of course, I was not a very much sports person, but there are few things around 11th and 12th standard. I picked up playing volleyball. I suddenly got interest in that, and then I felt, oh, I missed, showing that interest in sports before. So I feel those days are gone now. Now I can't think about jumping with the ball. So that's all I can share.
Yeah, probably like all the teachers around will be relating to this. All the teachers will be relating to some experiences, might have similar experiences. So
Ma'am,
moving
can I
on next.
interrupt,
Yes,
for a minute?
ma'am. Yes.
So Lakshmi ma'am can sing a song which she was going to sing if her microphone is working fine.
Yeah, now microphone is working, but you see, my microphone is not that good. You all can see my throat is completely gone. But I'll sing a very small bhajan. I hope I'm able to cope up. Guru Matra Pita, Guru Bandhu Sakha. Guru Matra Pita, Guru Bandhu Sakha. तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम. तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम. तुम्ही शक्ति हो, तुम्ही भक्ति हो, तुम्ही शक्ति हो, तुम्ही भक्ति हो, तुम्ही मुक्ति हो. मेरे सांब शिवा, मेरे सांब शिवा. गुरु मात्र पिता, गुरु बंधु सखा. तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम. तेरे चरणों में स्वामी मेरे कोटि प्रणाम. Sorry, my throat is completely gone with lectures and online admission duty especially.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
it was beautiful and आपके चरणों में हमारे कोटि कोटि प्रणाम.
सबको blessings, सभी को, हम सब teachers को happy Teachers Day.
So moving next, we have Rishi to go ahead with some quiz again, and we'll be wrapping up soon. Rishi, all set? Rishi and Aditya.
Yes. So in this game, you will be given a tagline or punchline of some brands. In a funny way, you will have to identify the brand and write it in the chat box. So for example, the tagline for LIC is Zindagi ke saath bhi, Zindagi ke baad bhi. So to make it funnier, I have replaced Zindagi with Binod. So it's like Binod ke baad bhi, Binod ke saath bhi, and you have to identify just the brand name. So just write the answer LIC. So let's begin. Aditya, slide.
You just read it now if Aditya is having some technical issues.
He's sharing.
Yes, he's there.
Vinod hai,
Okay, मेरा है.
विनोद है पर मेरा है. So guess the answers. Oh, Sneha ma'am. Yes. Moving on to the next question.
That's the answer.
कुछ विनोद हो जाए. Cadbury. Yes, ma'am.
Ruchita ma'am has joined in. Come on. Ruchita ma'am, the questions are on screen.
Okay, moving on to the next question. Vinod the Thunder. Thumbs up, yes.
Maya ma'am.
Oh, we are getting answers very fast. Next question. Vinod gives you wings. Red Bull.
Wow, Ruchita ma'am.
Wow. Okay, next question. विनोद अच्छे हैं. राग अच्छे हैं. Yes, you have to name the brand. Sir, yes.
Sneha ma'am got it.
Teachers अच्छे हैं. Yes, Akib. Okay, thank you so much.
So thank you all
with
dear
this-
students for this short notice celebration of Teachers Day. Thank you so much. Thank you my dear colleague for participating. और कुछ है?
The winner for the
with this,
yes, the winner for the riddle one was Ruchita ma'am and Vrushali ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
There was a tie between them.
Okay. Fine. Thanks, my dear students. You all have done a great job. Thank you so much.
Thank you all.
And
It
thanks
was
to
really
my
fun.
colleagues
Yeah.
Maya, Sharavanan for helping all us.
Thank you
students
so
to come
much
on
for
with this.
organizing this. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay,
with
great.
this, we come to the end of today's program. I hope we could manage to make this day special for you. Once again, on behalf of all the students and the Center for Excellence team, I wish a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you
Happy
all for
Teachers'
being
Day.
with
Thank
us
you, dear.
while
Thank
we
you.
shared our gratitude and love.
We will share the video also
Special-
and the slides with all. Thank you so much. Thank you, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.